Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Melanie Asuncion. I am 38 years old. I am married and blessed with three daughters, age 17 years old, 12 years old, and 2 years old. I am from San Juan, Alicia, Isabela. I am a high school graduate. My husband is a farmer and my father is also a farmer. My mother is a housewife and I have four brothers and three sisters. I work as a domestic helper in UAE for 2 years and I have served five members of the family, a husband and wife, one daughter and their three sons. I also clean the house, ironing, washing their clothes and cooking. I also took care of the baby when my employer go to work. I also have experience work in Taiwan for 6 years as a caretaker and I took care of an old woman aged 65 years old. I also clean the house, washing the clothes, cooking, and ironing. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me as your helper, I will promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.